periodic signal, right? So the signal which repeats itself after a certain amount of time, right? So on the left hand side of your slide, you can see again we have the time axis on, and then we have the amplitude axis, that is y-axis, right? So you can see that the signal is repeating itself, right? So here this is a typical sinusoid or sine wave, right? So you can see that it is repeating itself, so it finishes over here, right? And then it again repeats itself, and again the second right? So this is the first, right? And this is the repetition of the same signal, right?